This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to auto-park your Tesla Model S. First, confirm your vehicle has the auto-park feature enabled. As you drive slowly past a potential parking space, the car's sensors will scan the area. Once a suitable spot is identified, a P icon will appear on your touchscreen. This indicates the system is ready to assist you with parking. To activate AutoPark, simply tap the P icon that appears on your screen. For parallel parking, you'll then need to shift your Model S into reverse. It's crucial to keep your hands off the steering wheel and your feet clear of the pedals. The car will take over steering, acceleration, and braking, guiding itself smoothly into the space. While AutoPark handles the hard work, always remain attentive and monitor your surroundings. You are ultimately responsible for the vehicle's operation. Be ready to intervene by pressing the brake or taking the steering wheel if an unexpected obstacle appears. The system will notify you on the screen when the parking maneuver is successfully completed. For optimal performance, AutoPark functions best in well-defined, open parking spaces. It's generally not recommended for extremely tight or complex parking situations or in very crowded areas where conditions can change rapidly. Remember, safety first. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.